Today we are going to make this super fun basket with, ooh, look at those watermelons, lots and lots of florals. So stay with me and let's get making this. Okay, so we're going to start with this beautiful basket. This is a wow statement in itself. You can see it's flat on the back. And this is really a quality piece, and my hope is, because this is mine, my hope is that I'm going to be able to show you different designs to do with this throughout the year for different seasons. So all I did was I did add a little bit of some jute there because my hook is a little bit higher than what the handle is. I put in some foam and then I added the Spanish moss to it. Now I have you up high here in hopes that you can see better. And all right, here we go. So today I'm going to be using various flowers and greenery that I already have. I have a lot of stuff, and this year I'm hoping to use a bunch of stuff up. I believe that this came from Hobby Lobby, and it's one bush, and I just cut it apart. So we're going to start right in the top center. So my foam didn't exactly come to the edge, and that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to anchor this in, and then I'm going to tilt this one down. I'm not sure that you can see it in the camera, but you will be able to see it in the final pictures. I just want a little bit to be down at the bottom of our basket. Just adding in the last pieces. Now, if you didn't want yours to be so wide, you could definitely go taller, but I would like mine to be kind of rounded. And I have another, let's see. I think I'm going to do it this. If you can see, I just bent one down, and then I have one coming out. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add are sunflowers. And I looked at where I got this from. I'm pretty sure this came from Walmart, which I'm kind of surprised about because I rarely ever buy any florals from there. But I think that's where it came from. Just going to add these in now. And got one more. Let's see. Let's add it to the side here. Okay. Okay, next I have these really pretty red roses, and I believe that I got these from Joann Fabrics. Now keep in mind, some of these I've had for a while, so I'm not sure exactly what they have out right now. But you know, you don't have to do this arrangement in these colors. Or you could find other flowers in these colors. I'm just going to add these in. I'm thinking I want to add like we might need one over in here. Let's see. I have one more. You know what? I think I'm going to hold on to this and see if there's an area that I want to fill in with this later. Now let's add in some whimsy. I have this really pretty bush which came from Hobby Lobby. I'm not even sure that this is a full bush. It might just be a partial. Oh, and actually I have a couple of smaller pieces from this mixed in here. So let me add those in. Okay, now we'll add in this bush. Oops, things get a little bit tangled up. I had to take a quick break while my dogs were barking because the mail lady was here, but let's get back to it. Want some of these pieces to kind of come out too. There's a little bit a thicker one, or bigger one, I guess you could say. And one more. I'm going to put this over at the side here. All right, it is already looking so pretty. So I got a little bit more whimsy. This is a bush that I believe came from, I think, Joann Fabrics. I'm pretty sure this is not a Hobby Lobby. I think it's Joann Fabrics. But anyways, adds back in some more yellow. Also whimsy, which I love. So let's add that. Alright, I'm having a hard time getting that back there. There we go. That works. But I do want to add one back here, so. Alright, let's see. I need some, where do I want this? Yeah, I think I want it here. Oh, and my flowers came off. I can glue that on afterwards. I think I want to add some kind of in the middle here. And then I have one more. Let's see. Thinking here. All right. Wow, that is looking so pretty. Okay, next I have kind of these wild flowers. This came from Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure this is not even one full bush, but it's some extra that I have, and it adds a little whimsy in here. So let's add these few pieces in. That one doesn't want to stay down in there. And one more. I think it needs to come over here a little bit. Okay, and now we have our watermelon slices. Now, if you missed the video on how to make these, I will put a link up at the upper right-hand corner on this video so that when you're done watching this, you can go back and watch how to make these. They are so cute. Let's see, I'm not sure how long I need the sticks, so I need to, let me see. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need to cut that one off a little bit. Oh, kind of broke through, but that's okay. We can adjust that. How cute. Okay, and this one I was thinking was going to be kind of in here. So I need to cut this one down too. And if I didn't mention it, this basket, I will put a link. It's not in my shop, this basket is not, but I will put a link in the description if you would like to get one yourself. That one also went through, but that's okay. We can just adjust that. Now the last one I was thinking that I'm going to put up underneath the basket. Let me actually tilt you down so you can see this. Okay, I think you can see now. Yeah, okay. So this one I'm thinking I want to put down here. All right, that is super cute. I still have this red rose. Let me see if I want to add it in. I think I'm going to add it in down here. Woo. Okay. Starting to get front heavy now. All right, and that is it. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.